Ready? Dito ka. Maglagay ka dito.
Okay.
Yan. Oh, choose agad.
Dito? O
Dito, sa side mo lang.
Oh!
Be careful sa paglagay, ha? Yun, eat mo yan.
I think it's this two. Did I get two?
You need to be careful sa paglagay.
Oy! Dito?
Dito yan. Wow.
I took yours.
Abo, wala pang nadedeg sa atin, ha?
Wow, we have so much. I'm dead.
Asan?
I was kidding.
Did you tell Teacher Daisy na we have sungka?
Yes. I think. I'm still not dead,
Me
bro.
too, bro.
This
This is so tiring.
Boom, hulog. Bro, I got two.
Oh, ayun.
Thanks because that is yours. And you gave it to me. Thank you.
Oh.
Boom. Si Mr. Kulangot. That's Mr. Kulangot. I'm still not dead. Oh, yeah.
Ay.
Dalawa. Tatlo. Apat. 5. Thank you. Boom. Uy, ito din. Bakit? I'm still not dead,
Me
bro.
too, bro. So tiring.
Boom, hulog, ikaw na naman.
Ang dami nito, bro.
I'm dead.
You cannot eat that because this is my side, right? You need to wait for me to be dead before it's your turn again. Okay? Yeah, you need to wait talaga. That's how it works.
I'm dead.
You watch me if I'm doing it properly.
Yeah, you're doing it properly.
Oh.
Ah!
Bro, I got the madami. I mean, I will meron na yan. That's how, oh, not yet, Jaden. You need to wait.
I'm just kidding. I hope you are dead now.
Aba.
You're dead. I hope you are dead now. Look at the fucking baby. The dead one won't be shown. So if you're dead, I will move it sa akin.
Oh man, I think I'm gonna be
Dead?
not yet dead pala. This is so.
Lakas ka, bling bling. Bling bling. You're almost dead.
Ay! Bro! Oh, ayan. Nag-stop ako dito. And this is my side, right?
Yeah. So
And
I have to get dito.
wait lang. So me, I'm gonna eat this. And it's your turn.
I'll just eat this one.
You need to be careful, ha? Woo! Oh my goodness! Kasya ba yun sa kamay mo, bro?
Yes. I just
Nalaglag na isa dito. Nalaglag yung isa. Yan. Oh. Distribute it.
I put this toy kulangot sa'yo.
Oh, you forgot to put sa'yo. Kasi the number of shells, yung pinakamarami, winner.
Visitors. Because that's your house, right?
Yeah.
Because I will die.
Galing na. Aba!
Mr. Kulangot is still sa'yo. Boom.
Oh, hindi ka na naman naglagay sa bahay mo, bro.
I put.
Really?
Yeah. Thank you.
Kasi matatalo ka kapag hindi ka naglalagay sa bahay mo, bro. Aba!
Mr. Kulangot. I have that marami.
Oy! Oh, nag-stop ka sa house mo.
Yeah.
Hanap ka dyan sa'yo sa side mo.
I was kidding you.
Dito. Oh, hanap ka ulit sa house mo. Galing ah! Oh, hanap ka ulit.
Finally, I won't stop sa bahay ko.
Ano ba?
I hope Mr. Kulangot
Will be
is
yours.
sa'yo. No, sa'yo pa. Okay, this is not kasama pala. This is a fake one. That's
Dito
here.
yan. Ay, dito
Yeah,
yan.
that's
It's okay. Oh, ayan. Oh, dito ka na maglagay. It's okay. Oops, you're nerd. It's my turn.
Nerd. You're nerd.
Ask for...
I don't know where you go. I love. I hope you.
Bro, I stopped and I will eat. Your turn. Dito, sa house. Oh, since dito ka nag-stop and it's not your house, hindi mo makakain to, right? Mommy's turn.
I'm not dead, bro. I went to my house. I'm just kidding.
Oh,
I'm dead.
oh yeah. Put
That's
it back. No.
Dead.
Look, bro. I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead here. I will eat this.
Don't. I'm not that one. I don't want.
You need to count. Ito na lang, oh. Yan na. Para mas spread yan.
I think mistake ko lang.
You need to learn how to count sa ano, yung shells.
I'm dead. I'm just kidding. Bro, I'm still not dead.
Yay! You spread it. Thank you for putting me shells.
Should I get?
Count mo.
Finally, I can put sa mistake ko lang.
Don't forget to put sa'yo, ha?
I put sa'yo si Mr. Fulano.
Oh, this is your side, diba? This is your house.
I can get this.
Yeah. Hindi. Get mo yun. You will eat that. Ilan yung kanina? Ilan yung nandito?
3.
Oh, put
I'll
3.
eat.
Put 3 ba yun nandyan?
Yeah.
Balik mo muna. Ayan,
Oh, yeah.
saan yan galing? Ito, dito yan, diba?
Yeah.
Dito ka nag-stop. Nag-stop ka dyan. Since it's your side, you're gonna eat this and this one, put mo yan doon. And then stop ka na.
And all of this
Yeah.
dito?
And then you stop
No,
muna. Hey, you need to watch me play. Hindi mo ako iiwan. Oh no! I'm dead. Dito ko nag-stop and I cannot eat this because that's your side.
No. I hope you're dead.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm gonna eat this.
That also happened with me, Lala John, and me. Thank you.
You're dead! Ay,
Yo, bakit may kinetic sand?
kasi...
Oh, Emma. Are you dead?
Oh, I will eat this. Your turn, bro. Dito.
Oh, we didn't put dito.
That
was supposed to.
Well, ano nga, Jaden?
This was supposed to be.
I will check the video, ha? Oh, uy, tingnan mo. Sa kanila. Oh, ikaw na. Huwag ka nang aalis. Mabilis na to. Your turn na. Stop. Wala kang kainin.
I'm just jumping.
Me too.
I don't know what to cook.
This is mine na. Oh, wait. Wait lang, ha?
Real kind hacking.
Not yet. Wait lang.
How about the one that's slower? They will win.
Hindi.
Baliktad naman. Baliktad naman.